Hello Quizzers, and welcome back to Quiz Glitz. Today get ready to rank the coolest cars in the world, or maybe you think they're the worst. You'll have the chance to rate them, with 50 options to choose from and just 7 seconds to make your decision. Leave a comment below telling us your results. And if you're new to our channel, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons for more fun challenges like this. Get ready, and let's go! First up, Mercedes-AMG C63. Is it the best, insane, good, okay, or trash? Now, the futuristic Mercedes-Benz Vision ADTR. Where does this one land on your list? Next is the Tesla Cybertruck. How would you rank this one? Up next, the powerful Lamborghini Huracan. How do you rank the sleek machine? How about the Audi Q7? What's your rating? Bonus round. Would you rather receive a rusty car for your birthday, or like this video and subscribe? Choose wisely. Next up is the stylish Corvette C8. What's your ranking? Now, the iconic Toyota Supra. Is this a top pick? Let's take a look at the electric Tesla Model 3. Does this one impress you? How about the luxurious Lucid Air Dream Edition? Is it the best, insane, good, okay, or trash? Next up, the refined Mercedes-Benz GLE. Best, insane, good, okay, or trash? Next, the sporty Audi R8. Where does this one fit for you? What do you think of a car with unique rims? How do you rank that feature? Now, let's talk about the Ford Fusion. How do you rate this one? And here's the Volkswagen Passat. What's your take? Next is the Subaru Legacy. Rank it, best, insane, good, okay, or trash. Next up, the smooth Hyundai Sonata. How do you feel about this one? Next, the luxurious Ferrari. What's your ranking for this beauty? Next up, Ford Mustang MCH. How do you feel about this one? Let's continue. Here's an old car. What's your take? Best, insane, good, okay, or trash? How about the reliable Toyota Corolla? Write your answers in the comments. Next, we have the Volkswagen Golf R. What's your ranking for this hatchback? Next up, the Mercedes-Benz G-Class. What do you think of this iconic SUV? Now for the Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution. Rate this one. Let's look at the luxurious Lincoln Navigator. Where does this one fall for you? How about the rugged Toyota Land Cruiser? Is it the best, insane, good, okay, or trash? Here's something cool, a car with a built-in mini fridge. Where does that feature land for you? Next up is the Subaru Forester. Where does this off-road champ stand for you? And here's the bold Kia Telluride. Does this SUV make the cut? Let's continue with the reliable Honda CR-V. What's your take on this one? Up next, the electric Audi e-tron. What's your rating? How about the Toyota 4Runner? What's your rating on this adventure-ready vehicle? Let's take a look at the Land Rover Defender. How does this one rank? How about the Ford Expedition? Give it your ranking. Now for something futuristic, a car that can fly. Where does this one rank on your scale? Next is the Acura MDX. Is it the best, insane, good, okay, or trash? Next up, the impressive Koenigsegg Jesko. What's your verdict on this hypercar? Next up is the Chevrolet Traverse. Best, insane, good, okay, or trash? Now, let's talk about the spacious Volkswagen Atlas. What's your ranking? What do you think of a car that can be controlled by voice? How do you rank that feature? Next, we've got the Nissan Pathfinder. How do you rate this SUV? Now for the elegant Maserati Gran Turismo. Is this a hit or a miss? How about the luxurious Bentley Mulsanne? Does it rank as the best, insane, good, okay, or trash? Next, the Mazda CX-9. Where does this SUV stand for you? Now for something wild, a car that can climb vertical walls. Rate this incredible feature. Here comes the powerful Dodge Challenger Hellcat. What's your take on this muscle car? Next, the reliable Toyota Camry. What's your ranking? Here's something interesting, a car with manual transmission. How would you rank it? And how about the Ford Edge? Rank it, best, insane, good, okay, or trash? How about another Lamborghini? Drop your answer in the comments. And finally, we have the eco-friendly BMW i3. Is this electric car a winner? And now let's pick your next challenge and make sure to like and subscribe.